So good morning, class 8 children. In yesterday's class, we discussed worksheet number 29 of chapter number 15. Now we'll continue with the second worksheet number 30, again related with the chapter number 15, some natural phenomena. So let's start with this worksheet. First question is put an appropriate text. First is read the following statements and select the correct option. So statement 1 is earthquake is caused by sudden movement in tectonic plates. Statement 2, the intensity of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. So I think this, can you raise hand? Either statement 1 is correct, 2 is correct, or both statements are correct, or both are incorrect. Yes, Ananya?
Both are correct. Option C.
Yes, option C, these two statements are correct because already we have read that earthquake is caused by the tectonic movement in tectonic plates. And second is the intensity of the earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. Number 2, a lightning conductor is installed in a building so that, why it is installed? Can I answer from your side? Collect the electric power present in the lightning, repel the lightning, forces the lightning to fall in an area where there is no building, conducts electric charge to ground. So what can be the right answer for it? Yes, Varuni?
Ma'am, I think option B, repel the lightning falls
No,
on a
no,
building.
no. Anshika Agarwal. Yes, Anshika Agarwal. Answer 2.
And conduct electric charge to the ground when lightning strikes the building. Ma'am,
Yes,
option B.
it is D option because it conducts electric charge to the ground when lightning strikes the building. Okay, so this is your D option. Number 3, if you live in an earthquake prone area, what would you do? Always keep an emergency kit ready. Have only one open bookshelves. Fix the cupboards to the wall. Not keep breakable items on the upper shelves. Yes, Tanya. So you need to find out only third is correct. First and second are correct.
But first, third and fourth are correct.
So according to you that C option is correct.
Yes.
Next, when two bodies are rubbed against each other, they acquire, when two bodies are rubbed against each other, then what happens? They acquire equal and similar charge, equal and opposite charge, acquire different charges in different amounts, do not acquire any charge. Yes, Neha, you have raised hand.
Ma'am, acquire equal and similar charges.
Can anybody rectify? Yes, Ananya? What's it?
Ma'am, its answer C, acquire different charges in different amounts depending upon their masses.
Okay. Anybody else want to say? Tanya? Yes, Tanya, answer 4.
Ma'am, A part.
But A part is not right. The acquire equal and opposite charges, where because it's not said here that with which that object has been rubbed. So whenever two bodies are rubbed, they always acquire opposite charge. Okay, they acquire a opposite charge. So and the charges are always equal. So I hope till here everybody has done. So till number 4 we have done. Next, complete the following statements. First is the overmost layer of the earth is made up of dash. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, it made up of plates.
Plates. It's made up of plates. Next, which are in continual
Motion.
motion. Which are in continual motion. When they brush past one another or one of them goes under another due to the
Collision.
collision. Due to collision. They cause dash in Earth's crust.
Disturbance.
Huh? Disturbance.
Disturbance.
They cause disturbance in Earth's crust, resulting in an earthquake. Tremors on the Earth can also caused when a dash or a dash hits the Earth on an Earth surface. So tremor on the Earth can be caused when a dash or dash.
Volcano erupts.
Volcano erupts.
Volcano erupts.
When a volcano erupts or
Meteor. METEOR.
when volcano erupts or what can we write down? Meteorite.
Matter. Yes.
METEOR.
TEOR.
OR.
Meteor hits the earth or an underground dash is
Nuclear
carried.
explosion.
Nuclear
explosion.
explosion.
Explosion is carried. Children, is this color visible to you or should I change the color? Blue color is visible or not?
Ma'am visible है.
So everybody has seen it, done this part, B part? Or
Yes,
someone
ma'am.
is left. Should I erase? Let's continue the next part. Correct and rewrite the following statements. So the first statement is earthquake is a sudden trembling of the earth's surface due to the change in atmospheric pressure. Is it like that? Atmospheric pressure changes. Yes, tell Ananya, you have raised hand.
Due to sudden shaking in tectonic plates.
So we can say that sudden trembling of the earth's surface is due to the change in the atmosphere. No, change in the atmosphere we can't say. So instead of it, what we can say? What you have said? Due to the,
Ma'am, sudden shaking in tectonic plates.
yes, sudden shaking in tectonic plates. So you may write down tectonic plates instead of it. It's not in the atmosphere, it is in the tectonic plates. Next, the northeast belt of India comes under a non-seismic zone. Yes, Anshika Goyal.
Ma'am, the Northeast India belt of India comes under a seismic zone.
So it is non-seismic zone. Instead of it, it will be a seismic zone. You may write down. Seismic zone. Next, match the following column A and B. Charges attract or repel. Yes, you may tell children. Next is seismograph.
Magnitude of earthquake.
Magnitude of
Magnitude
earthquake.
of
Okay,
earthquake.
it is with E part, magnitude of earthquake. Electroscope,
Detection of charge.
last F part, detection of charge. Next, conduction, induction, lightning. So 3 are left.
Conduction, charging by contact.
Charging by contact. Electric
Induction,
discharge.
electric discharge.
Electrical
Yes.
discharge.
No beta, induction is with this. Lightning आपका electric discharge है. Induction, what happens? Induction is also the process of, it's three ways are there by which we can acquire a charge. So three ways are there. First is conduction, induction, and friction. You know, friction, by friction, the thing can acquire a charge. So in induction, what happens? The opposite charge is acquired. And in conduction, similar charge is required. Okay. Next is E part. Done this D part, everybody?
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
study the adjoining picture and answer the following questions. Near the Y-shaped structure, name the Y-shaped structure erected on the top of the building. So what do you mean by it? Already I had told
Lightning
you.
conductor.
Lightning
Lightning
conductor.
conductor.
Ma'am, spring.
These are spikes. ये जो Y structure है, these are spikes. And these spikes are to attract the building. Oh, sorry, attract the lightning. Next is why it is placed there. अभी मैंने बताया. Why it is placed
Ma'am,
there?
so that then
Ma'am, to protect the buildings from the effect of lightning.
हाँ, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. और to attract lightning.
ma'am, to attract light.
Ma'am, if it will attract light, so it will cause more harm to the building.
No, no more harm. Why harm? It will attract the lighting and that lighting will move inside. It is for the attraction. Whenever the lightning is there nearby it, it attracts that lightning. And that light moves downwards. Or you may write down another way that it is there to protect the building. Why is Y-shaped structure connected to the ground? आपको पता है one end is on the top and other end is to the ground. So why it is so? Why it is so? So the
To
yes,
allow it to pass through the building.
yes, to allow it to pass through the building, to allow the electric charge pass through the, or for the earthing you can say. For the earthing, जो भी electric discharge है, that should be directly go to the earth. For earthing we can say. For earthing. Next question. Tanmay opened a water tap and adjusted its flow to get a thin stream. Then he brought a charge refill near the water stream. What happened? What did he observe? These questions are there. Okay, children, this you have done. Should I erase the upper part? Everybody has done, those who are there in the class. Should I erase?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So Tanmay opened a water tap and adjusted its flow to get a thin stream. Then he brought a charge refill near the water stream. What did he observe? Give reason what he saw. So, first of all, tell me, have you understood the question or not? Why that happens?
No.
A very thin stream. When he is standing, he opened a tap. So tap को full pressure के साथ नहीं खोला. Very thin stream he has taken. And when he brought the charge refill, then what he observed, that thin stream gets diverted. वो जो water की thin stream है, that gets diverted. Now he is asking for the reason. Because water is again what is it? It's a conductor. So that's why it's get repelled or attract by the refill. It gets diverges. समझ गए? It gets attracted. What did he observe? Write down. He observed. He has observed. He has observed that the path of stream changes. Path of stream. Path of stream changes. Okay. Next is give reason for what he saw. Give reason what he's give reason for it. Because water is a conductor, it may attract by the charge refill. Write
Ma'am, he
down.
may say that water attract with the
Water.
charge.
Yes. So as water is a conductor, it may attract. Write down. Water is conductor. As water is conductor, or it gets diverted. It's your wish, whatever you want to write down. It gets diverted. Okay. Next is on a dry day, why do we get a slight shock on touching the screen of TV or computer monitor? Big picture tube. Yes. Can I have the answer from your side? Why does that happen? Does it happen or not? First of all,
Because
tell me
all
this.
have, ma'am, yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
because
happens.
all have electric wires in the electric appliances and electric currents, water, and water is a good conductor.
Electric charge get accumulated. Ma'am, electric charge gets accumulated on the screen.
We are talking about question number 3. You are saying that whenever we touch the screen of TV, we get a slight shock. Why does that happen? What's the reason behind? Yes.
Ma'am, on touching the screen, the charge discharges through our body. Thus, we get a slight shock.
Yes, this is the reason. Because through our body, the charge gets discharged. आपने ये पहले भी किया था in case of electroscope. Whenever we are touching the metallic object, that charge gets discharged through our body. That gets earthed. So that's why we are saying that whenever we are touching this object, we are getting shock. Why we are getting shock? Because the charge gets discharged through our body. Kindly write down. Because the charge passes through our body. Because the charge passes through our body. Okay. So children, this was your worksheet number 30. So till now, each and every work related to chapter number 15 is over. 2 of the worksheets we have done.